our host, Mr. Solomon, is going to put it on the link and share it in the group. Okay, so participate live in the chat, and you're going to actually enjoy this presentation because I'm going to show you now what is this Kangen water. Now, this is the water I'm drinking. It's in this nice little purple bottle. It's a bit bright. Nice little purple bottle. So this comes out of our Kangen machine, which some of you in the call already own, or some of you are actually waiting for your product that is coming. And the origin story about Kangen water started when people noticed that they've been going to spring waters around the world, waters in the natural springs under the mountain in caves, and scientists actually tested all the water. They wanted to find out, why do these people in these locations actually line up under the sun, all right, just to collect all these water. They wanted to find out why it's so special. And they found out in all this miracle healing water around the world, there is something called active hydrogen. Active hydrogen is nature's purest form of antioxidant. Anybody take supplements here? You take vitamin, you take cod liver oil, you take maybe vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, you know, all that stuff. Anybody take supplements? Type 1 in the chat box. If you are a health conscious person, you take care of your health, you make sure you're getting in the right nutrients. Why do we take supplements today? Because supplements are actually highly antioxidant, means it is an anti-aging effect on the body. Now, what is active hydrogen? Active hydrogen is nature's purest form of antioxidant that exists in the natural spring water. So what does that mean is when you drink water from the natural spring, you actually age slower than people who drink the bottled water or the tap water. Are you guys following? So God has already made streams and springs that are sprouting the best quality water. But the challenge is we don't get this kind of water if we're living in the city. So what does Kangen water do? This machine that later you will see the photo, it is able to produce a water, which I drink every day. And in my room, I always have a 5-liter water bag of this water, right? Because the machine is downstairs. This water has extremely high amounts of active hydrogen. So it's just like the natural spring water, except it's like it's on steroids. It's very powerful. So when you drink this water, there are 3 things you will be experiencing with this water. The first one is you are going to experience a tremendous amount of anti-aging effect on the body, on the right side. Because most of the things that we eat are oxidized, or we call it aging. Just like a brown apple or a rusted nail, it is already oxidized. So the more things that you eat that are oxidized, so for example, in a pack of tomatoes, you leave it for a while, it becomes rotten, apple becomes brown. So everything oxidizes. And we know if we eat rotten tomatoes every day for the next 1 year, what's going to happen to our health? It will also deteriorate, right? Because it's rotten. But the thing about water is this. Water will also go from fresh to rotten. Means it oxidizes as well. But the thing about water is when it goes from fresh to rotten, it doesn't change the taste, the color, the smell, the texture. So we actually don't know how fresh and how rotten the water are actually taking. All right. Now, I'm going to share with you one slide first before I play this video. This is what we call the oxidation reduction potential chart. Now, this chart, we measure it using a special meter. Now, if this meter measures a very high ORP reading, on the left, the red color one, on the positive side, the higher it is above 0, the more oxidizing it is on the body, which means it damages your cells, it damages your tissues, it damages your system. The higher it is, the worse it is for you. So you should stay away from oxidizing or aging water. Now, if you want to be healthy, that's why just now I asked you, who here takes supplements? On the negative side, below 0, negative 100, negative 200, these are all antioxidants. So things like green tea. If you guys drink green tea, let me know in the chat box. Green tea. Some of you like to take salad. Vitamin C, cod liver oil. These are things that are extremely high in antioxidants. Very good for the body. Except you can't take massive quantities every day. But with the Kangen water, look at the reading. It's extremely potent antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress. Now, I'm going to show you a video, okay? I'm going to play this video for everybody here. And this is where I actually have collected a couple samples of waters, including your tap water, the bottled waters you buy from the supermarket, and even the more